Good morning. Welcome to Magic Kingdom edition of What's in My Loungefly. It's going to be a rainy day. It's going to be possible thunderstorms, and so I'm going to show you how I prepare for that. I have my umbrella and I have it on a carabiner on the outside of the bag. On the inside, and usually I have this with the carabiner, but this is my poncho, and today I brought an extra bag just to carry it around so I can just tuck it in there and the inside of my bag stays dry. I don't have a lot of other stuff, so normally the gimbal, which is the phone, is on my wallet, charge cords, fuel rod, Zycam in case I start not to feel well. Evidently I need two things of Zycam: my portable charger, Tic Tacs, more charging, hair clip. I don't think anything else here. And in the front, right here, my little zipper, I have hair ties, business card, chapstick, sunscreen, and more chapstick. It's like in my magic bag, and a cough drop. That's what we have in the Loungefly today. Thanks for watching. If there's anything that you think I should add to my everyday bag, please let me know in the chat, in the comments below. And if there's anything that you use and you're like, I didn't know it would fit in there, and I tried it, please let me know. I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.